Hello everybody, Kyung here, and I just thought I'd get on really quick. I just finished a new kit, so I thought I would show it off. I thought I would flip through it really quick, and then I have a couple of other things. So this is the Romantic Rose Kit is what I call it, and it's 30 pages. There's about 17 to 18 of these like decorative, I guess, like journal pages, right? We have like a ledger, I have a butterfly page, some music, and then about 7 or 8 pages of ephemera, and then we have 5 pages of regular, like plain pages. These are like more background or like end paper kind of pages. And then also, I want to say a huge congratulations to Teri at Sweet Pea Papers for hitting her 500 mark. She got 500, both 500 subscribers on her YouTube and on her Facebook group. So she's hosting a giveaway, and I encourage everyone to go check that out, and I'll have a link in the description below. But I know that second place prize is actually one of my kits, like your choice of a kit. So I thought that that was super cool, and so yeah, I thought I would mention that during this little flip through of my my digital kit. Also, anyone who has like come across this video, and if you like the kit, yeah, I'll give you a discount. So I'll have a coupon code for 60% off. I feel like that's a good deal. So, but yeah. Here's all my ephemera. We've got some fussy cuts and some envelopes, some journaling cards, some more journaling cards. These ones are more like plain, and they have, I have a couple of quotes. I have some tickets and like collage pieces, or just, you know, pieces to do with what you want. I found these really old stamps. I loved them, so I included them in the kit. So yeah, there it is. It's 30 pages. It runs about $3 in my shop, but if you've watched the video, then you'll have a 60% off coupon, and the information for that will be down in the description below. So thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.